Hi friends, this video we are going to discuss about Star Wars. We are going to make a game using Star Wars blocks. So, games and events. First, come to Studio.org and you have to create your account or sign in with your account. Then, once you are create, here press view all projects. Then it will take a screen to here and next press view full list. Now there are games and events here. Yes, there will be here Star Wars blocks and Star Wars. Let's go to Star Wars blocks. Okay, next. Once you click, yes, this. Now, first we have to select one app arrow move dot relate. If you want to change the picture, you can change by here. For example, we'll change it to this. So it's changed. So I like this one, so I'll change into this. That if you like it, even hidden, but hidden can't be seen. So in this too, or you can press random each time. Okay. But I'm gonna choose R2D2. When up arrow press, yes, it will not work right now because it did not enter the pixels. So enter 25 pixels, so it will move. Now see whether it's working or not. Yes, it's working. And next. When up arrow we had to do this 4 times. There are 4 directions down, left, and last one right. So right, yes, yes. Now move the earth down. We have to select 4 times the block. Yes. Now here down. So here to down. Here left. Yes. Here right. We have to select the pixels. 25, 25, 25. Yes, now to remove. Oh, let's change the pace. Oh, over here. Let's be here as we needed so much of work in the here block. Yes, it's working. Now let's select another character and a stormtrooper. Let's add modded 5. No, let's add 4. Yeah, 4. And this time this will be a nice another one. So let's change this. Oh, yes. They are whenever they touch render up D2 or 2 D2 touches anything will be vanish. Let's add some more actions. Set the background, star shape, action blank, horizontal. Now see the total screen will change. Oh, yes, it's done. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.